A moment of silence for Z Flip 4. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4 are launched, but there's a lot to say about these devices, mainly Z Flip 4. Since everyone appreciating the Z Flip 4 design and features, but no one looks at the Z Flip 3 since both phones has the same design but with a matted back and shiny sides and almost same feature except few which we talk in this video. If you own Z Flip 3, then this video will be very helpful for you to decide whether to go for Z Flip 4 or not. And for those who want Z Flip 4, then go on Samsung's official website and pre-order your Z Flip 4, as you might get a deal with your Z Flip 4. And also, if you are a fan of the Bespoke Edition, then that can also work out on Samsung's official website. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, would you buy Z Flip 4 if you are owner of Z Flip 3? Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 offers the same things as Z Flip 3, except some of the noticeable things are, including new battery and fast charger, new hinge, a slightly bigger cover display which is not even noticeable, a better protection, and a new software features. That's it. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 this time comes with a new 3700 mAh battery with a 25W fast charger. Your last year Z Flip 3 only offered 3300 mAh. And a 25W fast charger, which is 14% more than the last generation. And also, Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus will bring 30% more power efficiency, so you can get a couple of more hours battery on Z Flip 4 as you are getting on the Z Flip 3. But if you are thinking of getting for cameras, then I will tell you that Z Flip 4 will come with the same 12MP main sensor and 12MP ultra wide, just with the new features like flex mode, which I think Samsung will give to the Z Flip 3 in the upcoming updates. Samsung manages to change the hinge on Z Flip 4, which will improve its durability, but talking about a crease, it almost looks the same as last generation. One thing, Samsung claims that this time they put a stronger adhesive for screen protector, since Z Flip 3 screen protector gets bubbled up after a year and you need a Samsung store to fix things up. Let's see how promising this new adhesive is, or these are just the numbers. Meanwhile, you guys get the Z Flip 4 with the same price as the last generation. If you want a bigger battery on Z Flip 3 or you need a new feature for Z Flip 3, then you can go for Z Flip 4. But if you are not interested in these type of things, then you can better continue with your Z Flip 3 and wait for another year for Samsung to put something new to the table. Or you can try Z Fold 4 since it's bringing new cameras and more. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, would you buy Z Flip 4 if you are an owner of Z Flip 3? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.